Alright, so I'm finally back. I'm getting to do some fishing again. I recently had hurt my shoulder, and it's been about a month since I've got a fish. So thought I'd do, oh fuck, I had off the bat. And I caught a fish, trying to get it loose. How the fuck did I do that? Yeah, a little bluegill. So that's a good fucking start, I guess. Alright, so back to what I was saying. Damn it. What the fuck is going on here? Alright. So, back to what I was saying a minute ago. I hurt my shoulder and couldn't really do nothing with it. So I thought I'd do a little creek fishing, get myself back in the swing of things, see how that goes, and I got something else here already. Sweet. Good start. Good start to the fucking day. Alright, little buddy. Yeah. I'm catching fish. It's always a good thing. These little trout magnets are awesome little baits. I mean, they're great for bluegills and stuff. I've never actually trout fished with them. So I don't trout fish, but... Oh, I missed that one. Missed that one. They're hitting it. That's for sure. But yeah, these little baits catch anything. I have caught a couple of bass on them. Major, nothing of some size, but I don't care. Fish is a fish for me. I got a little better cast out there. Saw one racing at it, but he didn't bite it. Now I do have some crappie magnets, which are the same thing, just a little bigger. So I think this is a little green sunfish. I think. Not a fish spurt, but cute little thing. Alright. Well, this is a good little start at least. Say, I just like catching fish. I don't give a damn what it is. I don't care if they're big, little. I just want to catch something. I almost had another one. I missed him. Got some grass on it. But yeah, I got some bigger crappie magnets, and I might try them at some point if I see a couple of bass in here. See if they'll hit that. We've got a little creek hellgrammite bait that I found in Walmart one day, but they're really light and hard to cast, so I had another nibble. They'd take the damn thing. And the problem is there's not much room to cast right in here, so I'm at the mercy of the fucking water and the trees and everything else. And I'm hung on something. Come out there. Alright, got another one. Small. But like I said earlier, I'm catching fish and I don't care. A little gill. And let's tire this little thing up. It's already kind of got a little tire in it. Move over and see if we can hit a couple different spots here. Oh, and I missed him. And I caught a leaf. I'm wrapped. Yeah, shit, I don't know what the hell kind of cast that was going to be. I'm hung on now. Alright, come on. I think I've caught them all out of this spot. I don't see no more. Oh, what the fuck. I'm hung on some more grass. There it comes. Alright, got one. Poking me, little feller. Alright. A little bluegill. Little bitty feller. Look for anything over here on this side. Alright, so let's fish the other side of the road here a minute. See what we can do. I also got my little Helgamite with me in case I need it. See a little bass down in there. They don't seem a bit interested. Well, I had a big bluegill looking at it, but he wouldn't bite it. Whoa, that's a hole. Break my fucking egg. I didn't know little bass, but I think I scared him. I didn't seem to hit the water and he ran. we go. I got him. Nice little bass too. Come on, big boy. Oh shit. Like they're dragging up the fucking hill. Oh, that's a big bass for this. Damn it, come on now, get off the trees. Oh, and it broke off. That's a big old bass. Motherfucker. I still see my bait hanging out of his mouth. God damn it. Alright, so let's get back at it here. I'm tied back on. I am disappointed though, because that was a really nice bass for this little creek. Wish I'd have done something differently. I don't know how it got hung in that fucking... Alright, got a little bluegill this time. It's a fish. Actually, he might be a little green sunfish, possibly. I don't know. Yeah, I think he's a little green sunfish. But yeah, I don't know how I got hung on that bass though. I mean, there's some weeds down there, but they're not like huge. I don't know why it wouldn't let me pull it on up. There, I just missed a fucking another bass. I don't know. Now, where are you? Where'd it fucking go? I assume it's on this motherfucker somewhere. There it is. No. Fucking ridiculous. Oh, I got him. Keep pulling up other shit. Oh, he came off. Hope he went back in the water because I can't get down there. Oh, I missed him. Oh, I missed him too. Alright, so I'll switch back to my little pink trout magnet here and we'll see if we can get something in this little section here. I missed one there. Something ran. I'm scaring them. That sucks. Oh, hell, he swarfed it too. And somehow I missed him. So let him ran with it some more. Got him that time. Oh, it came off. Son of a bitch. Well, since I broke off again and just getting hung up and fighting with these little nubs, I think I'm going to call it a day at this spot. But thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Like, subscribe, all that good shit.